Hi everybody, Dave Aquino with Basecamp Trading. This is the free video for Thursday, February 5th. So folks, today has been a crazy day in the markets. You could perceive it as a lot of volatility, a lot of negativity, but we in the trading room actually experienced really strong, profitable trading today. Here's an example. So the initial consolidation in SPX occurred after the market fell about 40 points at the open. We were able to catch this downside move for nearly $1,200 per contract. It's about a $25 move. And we caught the reversal here for about the same amount, $1,200 per contract. Here at lunchtime, the market was in consolidation and it slowly fell throughout lunch from the top. This is a bearish impulse trade. And then right around 2 o'clock, we reversed that move almost right back to where we started. This downside move took a long time, but we were able to drop about 25 to 30 points. And this reversal here took 20 minutes, 25 at the most, and that jumped up nearly 25 points. So 25 down, 25 up, that's another $1,200 and $1,250 each way, so a total of $2,500. Okay, so again, clearly you could have taken those kind of bites out of the market. You know, 1,200 to 1,500, 1,200 to 1,500, 1,200, 1,200. That is the power of intraday trading. The market actually is not very far from where we opened. Right here at 68.37, you're at 68.25. And who knows where we'll end up, higher or lower before the end of the day, because we still have about an hour and a half. But if you know how to trade intraday and take advantage of these intraday moves, you can make a large amount of money today. We actually had a fairly new trader, and she reported at the end of the day, after taking this move right there, she traded 20 contracts of SPX, and she made $20,000. Again, this is her first week in the trading room. $20,000. Part of it is the market conditions, how much the market's moving, as well as opportunities to implement the trades that we teach. And again, this is a morning breakout, this is a mid-morning reversal, this is a lunchtime reversal, and this is an afternoon breakout. Okay? Again, a lot of fun if you know what you're trading, and a great opportunity to maximize your intraday profits. And speaking about profits, I want to remind everybody that tonight we are exploring the opportunity to hear from Dave Forster. This is the Keystone Options Summit. This is a brand new strategy that he is bringing out to members at Basecamp Trading. A strategy that can pull out, 782% return on Mosaic within 1 or 2 days. An overnight trade in Nike over 500%, and 589% in new holdings. Again, all these trades are overnight trades. He's bringing all of this to you in a webinar we're doing tonight, February 5th at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. You see, I would highly suggest you join. It's 100% free. And you're going to see the power of Dave's new technique. Again, I'm going to let him tell you everything about it, but this is the Keystone Options Summit. Go ahead and sign up as soon as you hear this video, because the session starts in a little bit more than 5.5 hours from now, and it's 2:30 Eastern Time, my time. So go ahead. We look forward to seeing you there. Thank you.